Hello friends, welcome to this video. We'll discuss in this video how to calculate mean deviation from the given continuous series. This is the continuous series and we need to calculate the mean deviation from median. We can also calculate mean deviation from mean or mode, but in this question we are calculating mean deviation from median only. Now first understand, write the formula for the mean deviation. Mean deviation for the continuous series, summation fd, we are putting modulus summation fd divided by summation f. You can also write n. In some books it is also mentioned n. N means the total number of frequency, total frequency. That is summation f. Now in order to calculate the median class, we first need to calculate the cumulative frequency. So here we are calculating cumulative frequency. It means that is 5. 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 plus 12 is 25. 25 plus 15 is 40. 40 plus 20 is 60. 60 plus 14 is 74. 74 plus 12 is 86. And 86 plus 6 is 92. So now in continuous series, in order to calculate median, we are just dividing n by 2. Here we are no need to add a 1 because we are dealing with the class intervals. So here n by 2, that is 92 by 2, so 46. Now first of all we need to look which number the 46 will fall. In the cumulative frequency, the 60, here 46 lies within the value of 60. So it means this is the class where our median lies. But since we are dealing with the continuous series, we have to know how the exact value of median, which can be between 40 to 50. So in order to calculate that value, we need to apply the formula L1 plus n by 2 minus Cf upon f into I. This is the formula we need to apply. Here we can write L1 is mean lower limit, that is 40. So 40 plus n by 2, the value of n by 2 was 46, minus Cf. Cf, that is, we are taking 40 Cf, that is preceding to the median class. This is the median class, we have to take Cf of the preceding class. That's why we are putting 40. Divided by f, that is the frequency of this median class, that is 20, and multiplied by I. I means the difference between these two class intervals, that is 10. So now we will solve this equation. 40 plus 6 upon 20 into 10. See here, 6 by 2, that is 3. So 43. 43 is the value of median. So we can write median is 43. That's why we need to apply this formula, because we knew that after calculating n by 2, we knew that the median value lies in between these two figures. But in order to know the exact value, we need to apply this formula. The exact value is 43. Now in order to solve this question, we need to calculate midpoints, that is midpoints. Midpoint of this class interval, that is 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65 and 75. These all are midpoints. Now we have to calculate the deviation, that is d. We are putting modulus because we are ignoring the negative signs. In the mean deviation, we have to ignore the negative signs. Now what is the formula for d? D means midpoint minus the value of median. So here we can write midpoint, this is 5 minus median value, that is 5 minus 43, that is minus 38. But we are writing only 38 because we are putting modulus to it. Now 15 minus 43, that is 28. 25 minus 43, that is 18. Now you have to put 8 here, 35 minus 43, here 2, and 55 minus 43 is 12, that is 22, and that is 32. Now this is the column of deviations. Now we are putting modulus to it. In order to calculate the demand of the formula is summation FD. So we need to multiply this F column with these deviations. So FD. One of the best way to solve the question is, first we write the formula and then we have to calculate the demand of the formula. The demand of the formula is summation FD. So it means the next column will be of FD. Here this is F and this is D. Now if we calculate 38 into 5, that is 190. 190. 28 into 8 is 224. This 18 multiplied by 12. 18 multiplied by 12. That is 216. Here this 15 multiplied by 8. 15 multiplied by 8, that is 120. Now this 20 multiplied by 2, that is 40. Now this 14 multiplied by 12. So 14 multiplied by 12 is 168. Now this 12 multiplied by 22. So 12 multiplied by 22, that is 264. Now the last one, 6 multiplied by 32. So 32 into 6, that is 192. Now the demand for the formula is a summation FD. It means we have to calculate the total of this column. Summation FD is equals to, that is 190 plus 224 plus 216 plus 120 plus 40 plus 168 plus 264 plus 192. So the figure comes out as 1414. Now you just have to put these values into the formula. So formula for mean deviation is summation FD. So the value of summation FD is 1414 divided by summation F 92. So 1414 divided by 92. So the answer comes out as 15.36. This is the value of mean deviation. Now if you want to calculate the coefficient of mean deviation, the formula for coefficient of mean deviation is the value of mean deviation divided by the value of median. Because we are calculating mean deviation from median, that's why we are putting median in the denominator. Now if we calculate the answer, 15.36 is the value of median divided by the value of median is 43. So mean deviation upon median, it means 15.36 divided by 43. So the coefficient is 0.35. This is the answer for coefficient. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe this channel, and thank you so much for stay connected. Thank you. Have a nice day.